Happy New Year, everybody. My name is Owen Fox. Happy New 2023 to you. And in this video, I want to talk about what is at the crux of countless and endless and infinite, almost, spiritual and self-development teachings about emotional well-being, inner peace and happiness. What's at the crux of the matter, and also what my 2023 New Year resolutions are. So, especially surround like emotions and relationships. So, what I want to say is, it started with a week or two ago when I saw a 9-year ago Facebook post of mine come up, and part of what I wrote in that post, which I really loved, was freedom comes from letting go. And this is a very powerful quotation, and it helps me in my life today, because how do we feel good again and find peace and freedom from all the stress, hardship, worry, anger or conflict that may be happening within our life, within us and even within our relationships? So I want to expand on that quotation, freedom comes from letting go. Okay, I'm going to say freedom, inner peace, happiness, love and connection all come from letting go. And letting go of what? So, inner peace, happiness, joy, love and freedom all come from letting go. And from letting go of what? From letting go of what's holding us back and what's holding us down and what's making us feel tight and heavy. Letting go of the heaviness. That's what freedom, peace, happiness, the ability to love again, to open our hearts and feel warmth and care for another person, another being, even an animal. Well, yeah, all those beautiful blessings and gifts come from letting go of what's stopping us from having these. So today I did EFT. It's very simple. You should just check out a beginner's guide to EFT on YouTube. You'll probably learn in 5 minutes. Something very simple. It's just tapping on your meridian points. It's very easy, you know. And then that, and then this. It's simple. And then here, yeah, I said that. So I'll get back to what I said in a minute. But the other thing I want to say is my New Year's resolution is to lighten up. And that, in a spiritual term, that could be called to let go of resistance. But on a more basic level, a more childlike level, a more nature-based level, I just want to say my intention is to be more lighthearted and to lighten up a little bit when it comes to my own issues towards other people. Just to lighten up, and I want to be able to be more loving and to be able to have more happiness and peace within me, especially. I don't want to suffer. I want to suffer less. I want to struggle less, and I want to do that by letting go and finding the freedom that happens from letting go of the heavy and dense, and to be resultingly more light, to lighten up, to lighten my heart, to lighten my spirits. Just to carry less, because the more we carry that's heavy, we're heavier, carrying a load. I want to be lighter on my steps through life. I want to carry less baggage, and I want to lighten up and be more lighthearted and happier with people, especially obviously the ones who may typically cause me, who could at least initiate or play a part in stress. Well, I have the ultimate power to let go. That's what this is all about. What a beautiful day. Like my hoodie? I just wanted to say that this connection that we feel towards others actually lies in the minds and hearts of ourselves. No one can give us the feeling of us feeling disconnected, so we have to do it, make it and keep it alive. And we can let go, which is a great thing. Yahoo! We have the power. Yeah. There's a surfer there. And one other thing we must bear in mind, if we happen to be the empowered one that's fortunate and blessed, and that's our sole agreement with this person who may be in a stressful, conflicting, sort of relationship of some kind, if we happen to be the person who has the power then after we let go, or as we're letting go, especially after, we may wish to help them to let go, to be able to do that so they don't suffer and they can enter lightness and love and happiness and joy and peace and freedom again instead of stress and hardship and struggle. So help them. And what comes to mind immediately is saying stuff like, I'm sorry for my part, or I'm sorry for the upsetting or stressful situation earlier, or whatever the case may be, that type of thing, you know. So yeah, 4 surfers out today. Beautiful day. It's New Year's. It's 1st of January 2023. Thought I'd share this with you. Wow. Woo! I'm wearing 2 extravagant colourful hoodies underneath actually. So yeah, I hope this video helps. Lots of love. Thanks for watching. And to support this channel, please do give it a like, share with your friends on social media, and leave a comment. It'll really help the algorithm, so my videos just don't get lost and buried in the algorithm. Hope you enjoyed the scenery and the backdrop. Lots of love. Thanks for watching. Have a beautiful 2023 and keep living in the moment. The more you let go, the more you can live in the moment, by the way, instead of thinking and talking in your head about what went wrong or the bad stuff that happened to you. Bear that in mind. So, oh yeah, I have a video course and also a book on Heal Yourself, Your Life, Your Relationship, Family and Ancestral Line. And please do check out that book or ancestral video course. If you're interested in getting it from me, just send me a private note. I also have a free book as well about self-awareness and living in the now. So yeah, I hope you get to enjoy them if you're interested. Lots of love. Thanks.
Know you are loved. Rest in peace. Dream your sweet dreams till your soul is released. No